When that trip that I already had. They wanna see you do your dance, do that thing, poke out them.
Hi guys. Scratch that. I'm gonna really try to, like, people say I don't sound like myself. Like, I'd be like, hi. Like, but like, let me just try. Let me try this over. Hey y'all. No, I still can't. My necklace is twisted, don't mind. Okay. Again. Hey guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Snobs, in case y'all didn't know. Today, before we get started, I just want to let you guys know what I'm wearing on my lips, okay? Because that's going to be like a video I'm doing later, how I started my business during a pandemic. I'm wearing High Maintenance by my line Pretty Little Snobs. And this is the tube here. And it is everything. Like, look at this. Let me get a little closer. Let me get a little closer. Look at that. And I have a brown liner on there right now because, like, I love me a liner. But you don't even need a liner. And the gloss is not too sticky. It's, like, perfect. Look at my lips. So y'all better go to prettylittlesnobs.com. I'm going to put that link on one of these sites, okay? So y'all could go purchase. And you can also follow me on Instagram at Pretty Little Snobs. We are doing a giveaway right now. So I just wanted to let you guys know that before we got into the video. And don't mind my hair because it was not working, okay? So, like, just disregard it. So today, let's just get into the video. So today, I'm so excited, okay? I got a package last night. And this is a package that I have been wanting for so long. Like, it was on my wish list on the Louis Vuitton website, and like, it was not available. So I waited and I waited, and then one time the other purse that I wanted came off. It finally restocked and I missed it, and I was like, dang. And then this one, like in the middle of the night last week, I was checking my wish list on Louis Vuitton and it said in stock. So I hurry up and bought it. I bought me the Kirigami Pochette, but my Russian self, like, such in a frantic, like, I forgot to get my hot stamping. So I'm gonna be going to go do that in the store later on, and I'll show you guys that after. And then I'll show you what I use my Kirigami Pochette for. So without further ado, I'm gonna get the box. I've already sprayed it with hand sanitizer because COVID, okay? Ain't nobody gonna be trying to kill me. And then I have gloves on for the outside of the box. And like, I just wanna let y'all know that it took everything in me not to open this box last night, but I was like, that's kind of selfish. So I waited till today to open it with you guys so you can see my excitement. So excited about this bag. Hold on, I'm still putting on my gloves. Okay, scissors. I don't know if I need scissors. This is how the box came packaged. Like this. You don't really know it says Louis Vuitton. It does have LV17 right here. I don't know if that means anything or that's just the number of the box. So, and you do have to sign for it. So yeah, that was nice. And the customer service was great. When I forgot the hot stamping, I sent a text to the Louis Vuitton number, like, you can text it, and they responded to me the next morning, and she was like, unfortunately we can't do it because it's already like shipped or whatever, or about to be shipped. So she's like, but you can go into the store and they will do a complimentary hot shipping for you. So you guys. So excited about this. Let me show you again. Okay, let's open it. I'm gonna cry, you guys. I'm so excited. So the first thing in the box is it says Louis Vuitton. Wait, I want to take my gloves off now since I'm inside the box. So it says Louis Vuitton, and I'm gonna turn down the brightness a little bit so you guys can see. So it says Louis Vuitton here. And inside, what do we have? So there's just some paperwork for returns and exchanges, a return label, And it looks like my thank you for shopping, a little thank you card, as well as my receipt, okay? So that's what you have in the first thing. But this ain't what I'm here for, and I know this ain't what y'all here for, okay? Because I'm here for the bags, okay? Because this is like, and what is that, investor piece. Like, this piece is something that a lot of people want, and they are not able to get it because it's always sold out, like, all the time. And like, I'll see it for resale way more, and I'd be like, who do y'all think y'all is, okay? So this is how the box came packaged. As you know, I just opened it with y'all. And there's a little tag on here. Wonder if this is my name. You guys think this is my name? So cute. It's a little envelope. And it doesn't say my name. Why? I was just so excited. Like, they put me a little card, but no. I guess it's like if you wanted to give a gift to somebody, that would be the card you would use, and you can write their name in there. Just gonna slide the bow off because I'm gonna put it back on exactly the way I got it. So it has like a little magnetic here. So when you open the box, the bags come in a dust bag. Can you guys see? Comes in a dust bag. And then dun, 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 dun. Sorry, this is like my first time purchasing Louis Vuitton, like that I didn't get from a guy or that I didn't steal from a guy. Like, I bought this with my own money. So like, this is a big moment for me, you guys. This is my Kirigami. I'm so excited. It smells like new. I really got issues. So as you know, Kirigami comes with 3 bags. I'm gonna do the little picture, like how it look online. So as you know, it comes in the 3 sizes. 1, 2, 3. So there is this little one. On the inside, it says Louis Vuitton, Paris made in France. And that's the little one. And then I'll do another video showing you guys what I use these for. Because I got plans for these bags. And I was gonna buy a purse organizer as well, but then every time I look at them, I don't really like the material they are. So this is the medium. So I was gonna force somebody to make me one out of a different material, and then I'll show you guys it. And if you want one, maybe I'll make you guys one too. You never know. You never know. So it's the medium, and like a lot of people use this one for like passports or travel. Like the little one, I see them use it like inside of another Louis Vuitton bag, where like they put coins, lip gloss, like little things like that, because it's pretty. This one's pretty small. This one's pretty a decent size. And then there's this one that I need to do my hot stamping on, which is the pink one. Why is the light so bright? There's the pink. It's like a very light, I don't know why you guys, oh there you go. It's very light pink. And it's Louis Vuitton. My first purchase. Nah. Yeah, so this is the one I have to take back to the store because I want my name here. I wish I could get like a full name like Janae or Snob Doll or Snop or Doll, but I'm gonna get Nay because a lot of people call me Nay. So I'm gonna get that inside of here. And then when I do the purse organizer for this one, I'm gonna have a chain because sometimes, like, you know, when you go out, you don't always want to hold your bag. So I'll be getting a chain for that. And again, just so y'all know, I waited for y'all, so y'all need to feel special because I was dreaming about these purses all night. like I couldn't sleep. I was like, I can't wait to wake up to open my package. So again, this is the Kirigami Pochette. This is the big one. This is the medium one. And this is the little one. And yeah. If you guys like videos like these, like and comment and subscribe. Let me know that y'all like what I'm putting out here, okay? Because the more that I see you guys like, the more that I will do more videos like this one. Because I love videos like this. Like, yeah. I'm sorry, I'm really excited. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe below, all of that. Again, I'm Snob Doll, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, okay? Have a nice day.